gentlemen, good morning. Today, I want to talk about a dream. A dream where every individual can live with dignity, free from the shackles of poverty. We've all seen the devastating effects of poverty, the struggles, the hardships, and the loss of opportunities. But I believe that together, we can create a brighter future. Imagine a world where every child can go to school without worrying about their family's financial situation, where every parent can provide for their loved ones without sacrificing their dignity. That's the world I want to live in, and that's the world I know we can build. Universal Basic Income, or UBI, is more than just a policy proposal. It's a lifeline that can help people break free from the cycle of poverty. By providing a regular stipend to every citizen, we can empower individuals to pursue their passions, foster a culture of entrepreneurship and innovation, and create a society that's truly just and equitable. Some may say that UBI is a radical idea, but I say it is a necessary one. We're not just talking about providing a handout. We're talking about investing in human dignity. We're talking about recognizing that every person has inherent value and worth, regardless of their backgrounds or circumstances. So let's join forces to make UBI a reality. Let's put aside differences and work toward a common goal. A society where every individual can thrive, regardless of their background or circumstances. We can do this together. We can build a world where poverty is a relic of the past, and every person can live with